Christy might have seen how Driftwood makes such incredible food, but that quality doesn't start in the kitchen. Here in Olympia, there's a small farm putting big efforts into making sure everything they grow is as perfect as it is tasty.
We call the style of farming that we do market gardening. So it is a little bit more similar to what you would see in your garden, just like scaled up to the max.
Little Big Farm is run by two people who love everything about cultivating fresh produce. Phelan and Maya may not have grown up in farming, but they have certainly embraced the lifestyle with both hands.
We actually met at the Evergreen State College, so at Evergreen here in Olympia. Yeah. We did the immersion where you work on their farm there and do all the academics and the practical farming as well. Actually started the business like right when we graduated from Evergreen on our first little site and have just been building every year since. Exactly, and then it's been 6 years of kind of a larger, what we kind of see here, operation.
It was a lot. It happened really quickly. We had a business plan and we found ourselves at a farming conference and heard about a farm lease, and literally the next week we were signing that lease. Wow. And it was February, so it was time to start seeds, and it was time to get all of the things to start the seeds and to get the soil. I mean, I was 21, so I had all the energy in the world. You know, we would wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to harvest, work until 10, and I think we were just running on adrenaline for a few years, for sure. We found our success early because we focused on a crop. We were like, okay, we can't grow 40 things perfectly. So let's figure out the one thing that we want to become known for, something that people eat a lot of, something that we like eating, and that was salad. It was just salads across the board. So whether it's arugula, a lettuce mix, a spicy salad mix, microgreens. I mean, there was a lot of failures. There was, you know, but like for the grand scheme of things, our relationship succeeded the first year. You know, our farm, like at the end of the year, looked better than it did at the beginning, and we were excited to do it again. So we have our cherry tomatoes. I know.
Oh my God, it looks so delicious.
The like dripping trusses, they're really nice.
Cheers.
Yeah. Really good. These are the tastiest though, in my opinion. These are the humble sungold tomato. There's no sweeter. They have kind of ruined me for most tomatoes.
It's like candy. How do you get anything picked with all this deliciousness?
Well, you get full eventually.
Eat two, pick one?
Right, yeah, exactly.
So we're seeing some cabbages, broccoli, cauliflower right here for the fall. Right. But we do specialize in certain things, like we grow a lot of carrots. This is actually tomorrow's carrots. We'll be harvesting both of these beds of carrots tomorrow. There's a lot of that aren't the prettiest and a lot that are super pretty, but you can just come on in and
come on in
just
here.
grab.
Here's a little, here's a little.
Exactly, see, look, that's a good one. That's a perfect one.
Isn't that pretty?
Getting to know the people that grow your food is a great thing. And that's why we're big advocates for the farmers markets, for CSA programs, for local food in general.
I love food. I love eating. We have to do it 3 times a day. You know, I think that it's incredible when food is something special. I think we feel super blessed to be able to do what we do. I feel fortunate to be farming here in Washington State, and I think customers should also be stoked to be an eater in Washington State.
Yes,
I mean, it's just like there's like so much beautiful stuff going on. People like to choose to go to the farmer's market on a Sunday morning when you could be sleeping or doing a crossword and drinking coffee or literally anything else. I think, like, I love those. Those are our people.
No, your people. My people.
Yeah, exactly. This is not easy. Like, I mean, we eat really well, but like, this is not easy. And so I think it's so beautiful to have people that are receptive to what we do.